the nice thing about your own hair is that you can cut it, and if you hate it, it'll grow out later, so. Hi guys, it is. Today I want to share a few quick cosplay tricks with you all. So people always ask me, hey Elle, where do I get the cheapest wig imaginable? Can I use like a $1 wig? And the answer is maybe, but if you want to do cosplay on a budget, the easiest way to do that is using your own hair if you can. Anime characters and create your own character games like RPG type game characters are really great for options of having natural hair colors. You can get your hair cut, styled, curl it, and you can use all of your own hair supplies, which makes this a lot more affordable. I have done my own hair on a few cosplays, namely Akko from Little Witch Academia, and also Gloria, which is the main character from Pokemon Sword and Shield. Today I wanted to show you guys a little bit of how I do these styles. Since my hair is so long, I actually have to do some creative things to make it work. So here we go. Okay, so first let's start off with Pokemon Gloria. As you can tell, her hair is very short and my hair is super long. So there's something that we can do to adjust that. We're going to start with a ribbon. Any ribbon from 1 inch to 3 inches should work. This is just a leftover from my Nier Automata cosplay. Take this ribbon and put it under your hair and tie a knot around it, like so. And you can see there. And you're gonna take this and shimmy it all the way down to the bottom of your hair. Make sure it doesn't go all like out of your hair. You can always redo it. Just like that. Put the knot of hair on the base of your neck and then grab the ribbon and pull it forward. Pass it behind your ears and over and tie a bow. It'll be a little messy at this stage, but you can fix it up in a sec. And as you can see, just bring some shorter hair tassels forward. And it looks short. Obviously it's not perfect. You can see some loopies around the side, but for a photo shoot, it works all right. You can leave the bow here as stylized, be cute for Lolita fashion, or as I did with Gloria, you can stick the ribbon in a hat. And she has a hair part right around here. And there we go. There's my finished look for Gloria. Next, I want to show you guys how I did Bunny Akko, because there's a little bit of technique that you have to do to be able to fit your ear clips in your hair. So, here we go. All this stuff out. So, first step, as you can see in this photo over here, Akko has some weird bangs going on and a little bun back here. So, let's get that shape down. First, take a hair tie and get a portion of your hair, leave your bangs out. This will only really work if you have short bangs, like straight bangs in the front. The nice thing about your own hair is that you can cut it, and if you hate it, it'll grow out later. So I think I got my bangs cut specifically after I watched Little Witch Academia so that I could cosplay her someday. I like to leave my little hair tassels out. You can or don't have to. So the way that I usually do a bun, so I take a little nub like this and then just spin it around. And this will give the ears a good base to grab onto. Okay, like this. For her bangs, I just have a few hair clips, and we're gonna take half of my bangs here, move it to the side, and clip it down. And to keep this where it's supposed to be, of course, every cosplayer needs to have got to be hairspray in their arsenal. I'm gonna move my tea so I don't get hairspray in it. And cover your face so you don't get it in your eyes. There we go. And like I said, you really want the bun to be a little messy so that you can clip. I have my ears on a clam clip like this. And you want to make sure that you get some strands of the bun hair and your hair, like scalp hair into it so that it doesn't go anywhere. Oops, that's not gonna work. Whee! Did it. Takes a little bit to get these on, but I think I got it. As you can see, there's these little straight hairs sticking out, depending on your hair curliness. You might have these, you might not. I like to just take a straightener and soften those up. I forgot to heat it up before the video though, so cut. Okay, so now let's heat it up. Like I said, I just like to loosen these a little bit. So I'll just take and curl a tiny bit. I also like to curl in the front. A tad bit. And the nice thing about using your own hair is that even if it's not 100% accurate, it'll look really, obviously because it's your real hair, it'll look really realistic. And I think it adds a certain level of personal touch to your cosplay since it's your personal hair. And at the end of the day, you don't have a giant wig cap pinching your head, or your head isn't itchy because plastic fibers are stabbing you, and you don't cry off all of your makeup because the plastic strands stab you in the eyeballs. So it's just all in all a better experience, and this is a great thing to do for conventions, especially on one of your lazy days where you just want to walk around and shop. Casual looks with your own hair are definitely my go-to. Probably gonna fix my bangs real quick. There we go. I think it's cute. Maybe it's cute. I don't know. I think it's cute. Anyway, I also am probably going to use my own hair for Kaguya-sama from Love is War. Hers is more of in a low pony. So if you guys want to do the cosplay with me, let me know and I can do another tutorial. I will also be making the hair handkerchief that she has on the video if you guys would like to see how that's made. Thank you so much, guys. This photo shoot is all up on my website. I have a Bunny Akko, a normal Akko, and just lots of Halloween fun stuff. We also have Pokemon, as always. Let me know what your favorite look is to style with your own hair. I will see you all next time. Bye bye!